Hello students, welcome back. In our previous video we have studied about the indicators that how can we find out the different types of substances, okay, that whether they are an acid, base or a salt. Now here we are going to study the different substances in detail, okay, like we'll be studying acid, base and salts in detail. Okay, so let us start the video. But before that, one very important thing, before starting this, one very important thing I am telling you, that is, you should not drink water while studying. Fine. Again, I am repeating, you should not drink water while studying. Okay. I will give you the answer for this, that why we should not drink water while studying at the end of this video. Okay, so go through the video very thoroughly. It is a very important information. Okay, fine. So let us start about this. Okay, now see, based on the source, that is from where they are obtained, acids are of two types. Okay, source means, that is the different places or the different things from which they are being obtained. Okay, so acids are of two types on the basis of the sources obtained. One is organic acid and the second one is mineral acid. Okay, now mineral acid can also be called as inorganic acid. They can also be called as inorganic acids. Okay, so organic acids and mineral acid. One thing you remember always, organic word is related to living thing. Okay, whenever this word organic comes na, it is related to living things. Okay, so depending upon that, these two types of acids are there. Okay, so let us see them in detail. Organic acids are naturally occurring acids, that is, they occur in some natural food materials. Okay, like for example lemons, then tomatoes, tamarind, curd. Okay, all these consist of some acids, and because we intake them, okay, and these all are living things in the sense they are obtained from plants, okay, and therefore they are called as the organic acids. So organic acids are what? They are naturally occurring acids. Okay, where this organic acids, they are present in plants or animals, as I told you. Fine. Organic acids are not harmful because the examples which I gave you just now, like lemons, isn't it? We all intake lemons. Okay, then curd also we intake, the sour curd specifically. Okay, tamarind, okay, imli. Fine, we all intake all these things, so they are not harmful to us. Fine. See, I have written here examples of it, like citric acid. Okay, lemons. When I am saying lemons, they consist of acid. Which acid is present in lemons? It's citric acid. Okay, then one more substance is there, vinegar. You all might be knowing, in all the Chinese food items, vinegar is compulsorily used. Okay, and vinegar is also used in as a preservative for certain things, but basically in Chinese food items. Okay, so acetic acid is present in vinegar. सिरका बोलते हैं हम इसको हिंदी में. Curd, specifically sour curd, lactic acid is there. Okay, then these means tamarinds. Tamarinds consist of one more acid known as tartaric acid. Okay, so there are many examples. Fine. So these all are the examples of the organic acids. Okay, now see, I have written one very important point here. They are weak acids. Weak acids, and so they are not harmful to us. But why we have written here, or why I told you weak acids, in detail I'll explain you in the further portions. Okay, fine. Now let us come to the mineral acid, also called as the inorganic acid. See, as I told you, organic acids are naturally occurring, mineral acids are man-made acids. Okay, then they are prepared from minerals. You all know what are minerals, which are found beneath the earth. Okay, Fine, so they are prepared from minerals. Then mineral acids are harmful to us, okay? If they fall on our skin, etc., then we can burn, so they are harmful. Example of mineral acids are, see, I have written here a few examples. HCl, the common mineral acids are HCl. What is HCl? It's nothing but hydrochloric acid, okay? Then I have written here H2SO4. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Then HNO3, it is nitric acid, okay? These all are what? They are the examples of mineral acids, and they are strong acids. Strong acids because that's what I told you, they harm us, they are harmful. We cannot intake them. आप HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 को नहीं पी सकते हो, but all the acids which are organic, we can intake them. Okay? So is it clear what are mineral acids and what are organic acids? How they are called as weak and strong acid, I'll be explaining further. Now let's see few more terms related to acids. One is concentrated acid. Okay, now concentrated acid means which consists of minimum amount of water. Okay, it consists of minimum amount of water. The next term over here is dilute acid. Okay, like if it consists of maximum, or we can say excess amount of water. Okay, now see, for example, if we prepare means lemonade, isn't it? So first we prepare a concentrate of the lemonade at our homes, isn't it? Then when we serve it, then 1/4 or accordingly how much concentrated you have prepared, in the glass we will fill that concentrate of lemonade, and then we add water in it, ice, water, whatever. Okay, so concentrated acid, it consists of minimum possible amount of water. Okay, whereas the dilute, whenever you dilute anything, what we do, we will add excess of water in it. Okay, so dilute acid, when you want to dilute means when you want to prepare dilute acid, we should know, or dilute acid, it consists of maximum or excess amount of water. Okay, I hope these terms are clear to you. Now see, if you want to dilute an acid, I have an acid, okay? See, this is a beaker. In this beaker, acid is there, okay? And in this beaker, we have H2O, that is water. If I want to dilute it, so what I will do, listen carefully. Whenever you want to dilute, you always have to add concentrated acid to water. Okay? Whatever, जैसे if we want to dilute in 100 ml, ठीक है, हमें 100 ml water add करना है. So what we'll do, we'll take around 100 ml water, and then slowly, little bit, we will slowly add the acid in it with continuous stirring. आप add करते जाएं ना, इसको continuous stir करते जाएं. Okay, because you know, this is when you dilute, this is an exothermic reaction. I told you what is an exothermic reaction in the previous videos. Exothermic reaction means those reactions in which the heat is liberated out, and you know, it is highly exothermic reaction. Large amount of heat is liberated out, and because of which so much of heat is liberated out, and because of which, you know, if you are adding acid to water, means if you are adding the opposite, okay, what I said, if you add water to acid, okay, then what will happen, so much of heat will be generated that it may splash upon our face. Okay, the acid can splash up, come out on our hands and face, which can cause severe burns, accidents. Okay, and that is why what we will do, we will always add this thing. For dilution, what you have to do, you have to add concentrated acid to water always. Okay, concentrated acid to water always. Okay, fine. So now one question I asked you before, that why should not we drink water while means studying. Okay, so for understand this thing, for studying you need concentration. Okay, and if you will add water, if you will drink water, so concentration will decrease. Okay, once again I am repeating, if for studying you need concentration, and if you will drink water while studying, then the concentration decreases. And it was a joke. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. That is for dilution. What you have to do, you have to add concentrated acid to water and not the water to acid. This is a big no. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Fine, we will see few more terms in our next video. Go through this. Stay tuned.